Namaste, dear friends. First of all, I would like to wish you very happy New Year 2018. 2018 should be very hopeful, very brilliant, filled with joy, filled with health, great success, and happiness in your life. So today I am sharing a technique that is called RAIN technique, RAIN. This technique is used in mindfulness meditation practices. First of all, mindfulness meditation is different type of meditation which was evolved by the Buddha 2500 years ago. And there are some key elements of mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is observing your emotions, thoughts, feelings, and the phenomena within your body. There are many techniques in mindfulness meditation. One of techniques which is called RAIN, RAIN. R stands for recognize. So when you practice mindfulness meditation, first you recognize all the emotions which are going on in your mind, within you. Recognize whatever emotions are, good or bad. Just recognize them with open heart. And second is A, means accept. Accept them, whatever emotions come, good or bad, agreeable or non-agreeable, accept them. So first is recognize, and second is accept them. Third is investigate. I means investigate. So when you see any emotion or any thought in your mind while practicing mindfulness meditation, you investigate with kindness, not with cruelty or not with rigidity. With cheerful mind, you investigate the thought or emotion or any phenomenon which is going on within you. And when you carefully observe and kindly investigate an emotion, then you will find that an emotion is appearing and that abides for some seconds, and naturally that passes away. Every thought arises in your mind, then stays for some seconds, then slowly that passes away. So this is how an emotion arises, abides, and passes away. So when you carefully investigate, then you'll find this reality of every emotion. And after due observations, you see that no emotion, no thought stays for long within you. So you don't have to identify yourself. So the next approach is non-identify, which stands for N in RAIN formula, RAIN. Not identify yourself with any emotion, with any thought. So if you apply this formula, recognize, accept, investigate, and non-identify, then you find yourself in utmost joy. And this is one of approaches of mindfulness meditation. If you apply this technique, then you will find that this works during the hard time, during the challenging situations you undergo. Like when you have low energies, when you are in despair, when you are disappointed, then just stop from all your doings, sit in a posture with a spine erect, and try to apply this technique. Sit with calm, sit with peace, and try to recognize your emotions you are undergoing in that time, and recognize them, then accept them, then investigate them, and don't identify yourself with any of the emotions. And suddenly you'll find that your mind naturally calms down and your bodily functions are tranquilized and you are attuned into the realm which is filled with peace, joy, hope, relaxation, and happiness. Thank you so much. If you'll try to apply this technique and if you find the good result, must share with your friends. Thank you. Namaste. And again, I wish you very, very happy, blessed, healthy, mindful, and good and filled with joy and happiness New Year 2018. Thank you so much. Namaste.